Alright, today we're going to be working on composition of functions. Now this is a pretty simple concept. It's something that's at the end of probably Algebra 1, going into Algebra 2. It's a pretty important concept going into more advanced algebra. So it's a pretty simple concept. All we're doing is taking these functions. We have two different functions, and we're basically going to combine them in whatever way is illustrated. Basically, one of these functions is going to take place of the x value in either function. Okay, so one of these functions is going to take place of the x value in either of these functions. So let's look at the statements. This says f of x in combination with g of x. Now the combination symbol looks kind of like a degree sign. It's just like a circle. Okay, so the statement here, it says find f of x in combination with g of x. So what we do here is we're going to take our f of x. You can think of f of x as being the parent or primary function that we're going to use, okay, which is 3x minus 2, but we have to do that in combination with g of x, and g of x is x squared plus 1. So where we see x in the function f of x, we're going to put x squared plus 2 minus 2. That's our whole combination. Now we just solve respectively. So of course we're going to distribute here and distribute here. Now we have like terms. So our end statement becomes 3x squared plus 1. So that's the answer for our first combination right here. Now we're going to reverse it, and we're going to do g of x in combination with f of x. So g of x is going to be our parent function, which it starts off with x, so I'm going to leave that blank, because then that x is going to now be replaced with this function. So this function is going to start out parentheses 3x minus 2 squared, right, because that's part of our parent function, plus 1. And here again we just solve respectively. So in this case we're going to have to factor this out. So we'll just do this first. So remember, we're going to go here and there and then there and then there. So the first thing is a 3x times 3x. It's going to give us 9x squared. 3x times negative 2 is going to give us negative 6x. The middle is going to give us negative 6x as well. And at the end we'll have negative 2 times negative 2, which will give us a positive 4. We can simplify this to 9x squared minus 12x plus 5. And that's our final answer for that one. So the next thing we're going to be asked to do is evaluate both of these functions at some number, in this case x2. So all we do is take what we got, or we take our answers, and we just plug in 2 now for the x value. So for the first one, which our answer was 3x squared plus 1, we're going to have 3x 2 squared plus 1. We can do this, do the exponents here, so this is going to be 4, this is going to be 3, that's going to be 12, plus 1 is going to equal 13, and then 2, we're going to do 9x squared minus 12x plus 5, replace the x with a 2, 2 squared minus 12, 2 plus 5, 4x, or 4 is now going to be replaced with the 2 in there, minus, this is going to be negative 24, plus 5. 9 times 4 is going to give us 36, minus 24, plus 5. 36 minus 24 is going to give us 12, plus 5 is going to give us 17. And that's how we do the composition of functions.